Alrighty. Evan! No! Bold! Bold, Evan! No! Evan!
It's not me.
No!
I'm watching though, and it's very enjoyable, but I'm not shooting.
I'm going further away! I'm gonna be in my chili ad in a minute! I'm too fucking low!
Look how far he is. Just pull up. Just pull up. You'll start flying vertically upwards.
I'm pulling!
I'll save you.
Oh, fuck me!
I'll save you, Brian.
How?
I'm coming.
Where the fuck am I? Stop hitting Tyler! Please!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wildcat's cooking show. In today's episode, we're going to be preparing a nice lobster dish. So we're going to start off the dish with putting in some bananas. Got a nice family photo I stole from the neighbors. They also got their computer. Now, guys, now we're going to add a little bit of nacho cheese in this dish.
Is it boiling?
Yes, it's boiling.
I don't think it's working. I think the stove is broken.
Did it work?
I think the stove is broken.
Wait a minute. I see it sizzling.
Oh, shit. Look at this.
It's done. It's done.
That's all that's left. See this garbage can?
Huh?
See this recycling bin?
Yeah, I see it.
Shakaga.
Hold on, come back here.
Wait, hold on. You see this? You see this bench?
Shut up.
There he is.
I'm the haunting ghost of the masturbating fisherman.
Fisherman!
I'm the ghost of masturbating.
Something wrong in my stomach. What is what's happening to me?
Holy shit! Whoop.
Oop.
Beepity.
Bibbidi.
Bap.
Okay. Oop. Bibbidi. Bap. Don't do it. I heard a gun. Don't do it, Tyler. Tyler, don't do it. I'm doing a good job. Don't fire me.
No, you're doing
Literally,
fine. You're doing
fire
fine.
me.
Now do it again.
Do it again. Don't screw up. Don't screw up.
Get up.
Oop. Bibbidi. Oh god, I feel that wasn't right. I feel that wasn't. Ah.
Oh,
wow.
my cell's so sweaty.
Had to put you down.
Yeah, look at you using weapons.
What the fuck was that?
Damn it!
Scream.
What was that scream? Fucking psycho!
Oh, get fucked! Look at that.
We gotta slow that shit down.
I'm done! I'm fucking done!
Wildcat is so sweaty.
And one of these hit for the lava!
There we go.
What was that? What the shit was that? What is this? Yes.
Brian, you cock-eating fuck bitch! With your stupid fucking titties!
You're talking about my titties!
Sorry, let's to the right with the map.
Let's see, you guys.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna have to take a left in the tree.
Which way we're going, huh? Which way we going?
If you get to the tree, you've gone too far.
Look at his fucking hand. Oh, God.
We have come from a van in part 2. So
I agree.
I shot at him at the same time.
And then the lobster died.
after the lobster died.
Again.
Then
For a third time.
Fucking. And now we're telling again. Fucking guy! Not even cool anymore! Hey, you think it's funny? Huh? You think it's fun? Bitches!
That's why they put us in solitary confinement.
Fucking shit.
This is so fun.
Just stop killing me! Just fucking stop! Just fucking stop! Oh, what do I need to? What? That's it!
reflex game more than anything. Who has the best reflexes?
Oh my god, guys, I can't stop laughing.
Oh my god.
Of maple syrup igloos and polar bear snowmen. Oh, say, can you say, Canada's a boat above America, and when you're in Canada, you can do Canadian stuff.
Hey, Evan, you want to see something funny?
Yo, what's up?
Look at this.
What up, guys?
Hey, what's
Just passing through.
I need to oh shit! Oh shit, it's coming out, man! I can't control it! Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit!
That's what you get for eating Thai food on.
Oh shit! Oh god! I've got to go, it's embarrassing! Got to get out!
He's in this one now. Look.
I've had a long day, don't laugh!
Delirious just sounds like someone fucking jerking off as he goes by. Listen to Delirious go by.
Over there.
Holy shit!
Did somebody mention the chopper? Oh God. Hey, what's going on here?
Oh, hi, Joe.
What is this over here?
Oh, that is the fancy new Apple II. That's what they call it, Stephen Bills. He, whatever his name is. He called it the brand new Apple II. Old Stevie Bob Billy Gates jobs person, man. We got the iPaddle, the iPood. We got the iPood Nano right here. But what you guys really need to start looking at is some PCs. So let's go take a look at those. They're over here. All right. So, I mean, we got your basic startup PCs like this one right here. But what I really want you to look at is the new HP 6000 thing. So,
Lyris is playing Sandbox on a moon map in Gmod. I'm gonna shoot him.
Oh, fucking hell, man! Are you still looking at the moon? Fuck's sake.
Remember when we were in a zombie apocalypse and you knew exactly what to do?
you got me, Lobster?
Does anybody else have anything to say?
Oh, me. I have something to
Does
say.
anybody else?
Anyone.
I have something to
Anybody?
say.
Anybody relevant?
Anyone at all.
Anybody?
I volunteer. I want to say one thing. And that one thing is, Iberg didn't really like any of you.
Sorry, this is for friends and family only.
Look at this shit, man. I'm Montrum. I'm burning through this place.
He's Montrum.
Where's Jug again? I mean, where's Exo Health?
Where's XO?
Exo Health! Sounds so nerdy. Let's get some Exo Health.
Playing the new undead mode.
No, it's still called zombies. Fuck kids.
That was amazing. That retard fight.
You fucking laggy piece of shit, Brian! Oh!
Up your ass, I see.
Wait, did you not?
Wipe did you
Why
not?
did you not?
That's fucking amazing.
Bad does it smell? Please don't use the force.
So this is the dark side.